Stop right there. Have you bought one of these tools online and received junk that doesn't work? Sorry, you've been scammed. You can only buy the genuine product from Roofus Tools and their authorised distributors. It's only real if it's called a Roofus. The genuine Roofus only exceeds expectations.
So I climbed halfway up that mountain.
It's made with the best quality materials to the highest quality standards.
And I can see her up there smiling.
The Roofus is used by a wide range of industry professionals in 95 countries.
Don't stop, no. I wanted to, but I couldn't find.
If you prepare, measure and cut materials in the construction industry, you don't need 5+ angle measuring tools to do it. You need a Roofus.
I couldn't find my cheat codes for the game.
You can only buy the genuine Roofus from Roofus Tools and our distributors. It's only real if it's called a Roofus.